Exiled on a lonely island, the Apostle John was shown the final vision of humanity's future. Before we begin, like this video if you love deep biblical revelations. Subscribe now, because what John saw will change how you understand eternity. Near the end of his life, the Apostle John was banished to the island of Patmos, not for a crime, but for his testimony about Jesus Christ. Patmos was a place of isolation, a rocky island used by the Roman Empire to silence voices they feared. But what Rome intended as punishment, God used as preparation. It was there, in isolation and silence, that heaven opened before him. John was not dreaming. He was not imagining. He was shown the final revelation, the conclusion of God's plan for humanity. And what John saw was not the end of the world. It was the beginning of a new one. John writes, "Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth." Through John's eyes, we are shown a world where suffering has ended, death has been defeated, and God's presence fills everything. This was not a repaired world. This was not creation patched together after breaking. This was everything made new. The former things, pain, sickness, injustice, sorrow, had passed away. Not hidden, not ignored, but removed forever. No more funerals. No more crying in the night. No more fear of tomorrow. And then John sees something even more breathtaking. John describes a city descending from heaven, the New Jerusalem, prepared like a bride adorned for her husband. This city is not built by human hands. It is not the result of human effort, technology, or progress. It is God's design. The walls shimmer with precious stones. The foundations glow with colors the human eye has never truly seen. The streets are pure gold, not dull but transparent like glass. And the gates, each gate formed from a single pearl. Because in God's eternal kingdom, nothing is accidental. Every detail speaks of value, purity, and glory. This was not symbolism alone. This was destiny. John then hears a voice, loud, clear, and final. "Behold, the dwelling place of God is with man." This is the heart of the revelation. No more temples, no more distance, no more separation between heaven and earth. God does not visit his people anymore. He lives with them. He wipes every tear, not as a ruler, but as a father. Death is erased. Pain is silenced. Fear has no memory. There is no night in this city. No darkness waiting to return. No evil hiding in corners. Why? Because evil is gone forever. The river of life flows clear as crystal, proceeding from the throne of God. The tree of life stands once again, healing the nations. What Adam lost in the beginning, what sin shattered, what humanity has been longing for, John sees it fully restored. This revelation was not given to scare believers. It was given to strengthen them, to remind us that suffering has a limit, that history has direction, and that faith is not wasted. The New Jerusalem is not just where believers go. It is what God has been preparing since the foundation of the world. A home, a kingdom, a future where God and humanity dwell together forever. If this vision gives you hope, like this video right now, subscribe for more deep biblical revelations and cinematic faith content, and comment below. I believe in the new heaven and the new earth, because the story doesn't end in darkness. It ends in glory.